Hello, this is Jim. This is the first version of the copy trade video for our team page in the Ads network. So it will change, but this is, like I said, first version. So the update for the page or the project, what we're busy with, is the team copy trade. The copy trade for Team EB is live now on Margex. If you're watching this video and you haven't got a clue what I'm talking about, what I would suggest is I'll stick a link above or below this video, and there'll be one link to nothing else, maybe a description or something, but that'll take you to, where will it take you to? There, Ads network. Now, I did a few adjustments in a couple of videos that I did earlier. I was sort of getting my heads around how we're going to play this. You don't have to be a member of Ads network to get to this page. So when you click that link, it'll take you to the page and you can watch the videos, check the links. If you want to join Ads network, just click one of these buttons and it'll ask you to sign in or join. So anybody can get to this page. You don't have to be an Ads network member. So the update, this video, like I said, for the copy trade, which is this Team EB copy trade. Now, when we started building this page, a couple of my team in the early birds, Jim said, "Show how are you trading?" Because I was showing my results, on my trading, and they say, "How are you doing this?" And I said, "Well, I'm doing this, 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 and this." And they says, "Can you put down in the, like some sort of guide how you're doing it?" Because let's be honest, trading's not easy. It's very difficult, and I've been playing around with it. I'm not a big trader, I never have been, and it's I'm fine tuning my methods. And all I'm doing on this particular project, on this Ads network trading page, is showing you how I'm doing it. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you how you should do it or what you're doing wrong. It's not financial advice. It's literally showing my team what I'm doing. And I've also give some bits and bobs. What I would suggest is go to that page, check out the top video. Again, that's version 1. These videos will change because there's a lot of work involved. But this is watch that first video, and I'll put the copy trade video, what I'm recording now, in here as well when I'm finished recording it. So what is the copy trade? So basically, there's a couple of exchanges I'm using, but Margex, to be honest, is my favorite. And so I was showing a couple of my team, and they said, "Well, why don't you set up a copy trade?" And then I said, "Well, what if I wasn't sure, to be honest, what was what. We'll all have to learn it." And so I did a bit of research on it, and I said, "Okay, I can do this," because basically all you're doing is, example, if you're joining Margex, you're funding your Margex wallet with XRP, and then you just go to the copy trade, or you can go from this page. You can join Team EB copy trade, or go over here, Team EB copy trade. But the exciting news is that I'll just get the Margex. We're now live. As we started off as a private link, so nobody could see see us on Margex. I've did the details. It cost us a lot of, I didn't say cost. Invest a lot of time, should we say, to get this sorted out, because you can't just make a copy trade and whack it on there and then everyone just sends you money. It doesn't work like that. There's a lot of hoops and things to sort out. So I've done that anyway, and we're now live on Margex. So this is our details of the copy trade. If you go to Margex, just an example, let's go over here, copy trading. And if you go to Margex, login, copy trade, and you'll see us now on the leaderboard after one day. I was amazed. There we're number 19. Literally just starting off. So, but obviously we want to be rising, but this is day 2, I think, or this is day 1 actually of being live. So that's the exciting news. So anybody who goes to Margex exchange will see our copy trade on the platform, it's good news to build the equity, because people who don't even know anything about the early birds or the team Ads network, people are joining these copy trades. To be honest, I don't know if they know even what they're joining, but anyway, we're live on Margex. Now to get into the nitty gritty of it, I won't make this video too long. Might put some things on that media channel. Might do that later. But let's just get back over to the Margex wherever. So copy my strategies. Let's just quickly go over there. Yeah, so this is the overview. I think this is what you see. So basically, a copy trade is what you're doing is you're joining Margex. You're not joining anything to do with early birds or Team EB or Ads Network, and you're just joining Margex. You're funding your Margex trading account, and Margex you can sign up for Margex no KYC anywhere in the world. You don't, this is what got my attention. It's been around a long time. I did a lot of homework on this. I'm not just throwing me XRP all over the place without doing my homework. But and once you've funded your XRP or whatever, you can fund whatever and convert it. They've got a convert channel there. You just go over to the copy trading and search for Team EB. Or, like I said, you can have an account here, log in, nip over to the link below or above this video, and then just join from Team EB copy trade link there or copy trade link there. And now on this video, the videos on this page were explaining how we're setting up the, some help, like example, there's a liquidity map video. It'll show you how I'm, where I'm shown to buy and where I'm shown to sell and what have you. But basically a copy trade is, for a lot of members that started watching these videos, two people said, Jim, I haven't got time to do what you're doing. I have a life. So it's okay, fair enough. Do the copy trade. I says, right, okay, I'm going to do the copy trade. I'll sort it out. So basically, when you're doing the copy trade, is I haven't got your funds. The funds is in Margex. But you're joining that copy account, and whatever I do, you're doing. You're copying, whether you like it or not. So basically, if you don't like it, you can just stop copying and just withdraw your funds, whatever funds you've got there. There's no promises from Jim. I'm doing my best, because if you win, I win, and if I win, you win. So there's no incentive for me not to try and win, because I cannot win unless I win, if you know what I mean. Unless you win, if you putting your funds in and you're copying my trades, if you win, I get a little cut of that win. So that's how I make an income on it. But a lot of people said, I haven't got a clue what you're doing. I don't know what you're talking about with all this. But so there's two sides of this trading page. I'm trying to show everybody what I'm doing and what I'm saying. And I said to somebody today, I want you to do exactly what I'm doing and go and do it yourself. Sign up for Margex on my link. I get a referral commission on the Margex. But the copy trading, if you don't know what to do or how to do it, or you haven't got the time to do it, go for it. Join Team EB and then see what happens. But what I will say is I did a lot of homework on this copy trading business, because I thought, hang on a minute, like, can this copy traders, can they do a runaway your money? How does it work? Blah blah blah. I don't have any control on your funds. It's all in Margex. And I can't withdraw. That was the other thing. Like, I thought, how does the copy trader, like, I had to educate myself a little bit. And for me to set this copy trade account up, I had to put a chunk of equity into the account, and I can't withdraw that equity. That's locked up. It's gone. Well, not gone. I can close the trading account later on down the road if I wanted. But again, what would be the point in that? But I cannot withdraw my equity. So whatever I put in that copy trade group, my profits, what I make on my trades, goes into my outside wallet, my external main wallet, should we say. But the actual equity, what I put in there, I cannot touch it. So there's no the equity pool from Jim's side. But the member of the pool, let's just say we'll use the name Bob, puts 1,000 XRP in there, and then he doesn't like the trading pool or whatever. You can just make a withdrawal from that pool. I've been studying it, as I was studying, I was getting more and more excited about it, to be honest, because when you look at the settings of the pool, if you click on, what I would say is go over to click follow Team EB. I don't think you have to add funds even when you're following. Have a look at the details of the page, And you'll see there, again, I studied a few, I had a snoop around, I studied a few, what can I say, a few other projects just to see, get an idea what we're doing. And what I've done is I've set up a tier system. So when the higher the amount of equity that a person is putting in the pool, whether you put in 50 now or 20 now or 30 later, your equity builds. You can just add funds or take funds out of the pool periodically when you go to the menu. But let's just say somebody's dropped 100 XRP. The trader will get, which is me, 40% of the profits, not the amount, just the profit of the trade, should we say. It sounds a lot, but it's not, because it's not like if you put 100 XRP in it, I don't get 40 XRP. That's like, I only get 40% of the win of the trade, if you know what I mean. And then the follower who's following the groups gets 60%, and they haven't done it. All they've done is funded their account with equity. And then in this case, it's Jim has to get to work and makes a win, because if again you don't win, I don't win, so they have to win. But I thought, as they're putting more equity in there, why would I take the same amount? That didn't seem fair to me. So I've said it as if someone has got between 500 and 1,000 XRP in there, I would win 35% of the trade, and you get 65%. And then if someone's got 1,000 XRP, I get 25% of the trade win, not the trade win. And then the follower will get 75%. And then in 5,000 XRP above, I get 20% of the trade win. So and you get 80%. The follower gets 80%. So basically, the more that person comes into that pool. Again, Jim hasn't got them funds. It's in Margex, but it's just Margex are saying, Jim, there's the equity to trade with. I can't take that money. I can't take that XRP. I can't do anything with it. It's just me being allowed to use your funds to copy. So you're copying my trades, if you know what I mean. But I thought the higher the amount of someone's playing. I say play, it's not play, it's not a gamer, but trading, the higher amount someone's trading in that equity pool, I think it's only fair that they should get a bigger share. Because 20% of 5,000 on a trade, I'll be happy with that. Some of the traders are charging 50-50 across the board. That was what? I was really amazed. And then when you deposit, in the example, you've got funds in your Margex wallet. When you deposit into this copy trade, periodically it adds it into the system. You'll see, example, I think yesterday I made a mistake and I only had once a day. That wasn't enough, so I changed the times. So it's a bit like a cron job system. So let's say it's 12 o'clock and somebody deposits 200 XRP. It'll show you pending the rollover, and it would go in an hour later. It would go into the pool, and then it would show up. I get an email saying, "Yep, there's equity there to use." So it's I think it's to reset the profit margins as well. I wouldn't pretend I understand 1,000,000%, but it was the same with the withdrawals as well. When you withdraw. When I was reading the information, those are the times it'll automatically process the withdrawals. So it'll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times a day over the 24-hour period. It'll do its deposits and withdrawals, refresh, should we say. So don't panic. That's what I was trying to stress. Look at the details on here, and this is also the parameters for what I've set. And I had to set all of this up before we could put this live as public, and it had to be approved by Margex. So it's not like I haven't gone stupid and just made an account. The parameters for this trading account, I've set it so I can't make it more than 8x leverage. Maximum losses per day. Read that over. The maximum minimum trade duration 30 minutes, and the maximum trade duration for each trader, for each trade, 30 days. I've set it so I can take profits and whatever. A lot of people say, what are you talking about, Jim? Read that. But there you see the stats for the pool. It's very interesting. And my eyes are opening, and I'm thinking to myself, I should have done this a long time ago. I should have been, I like my numbers and how I'm trading and what I'm doing. I would say, look at the rest of the videos. That's what I'll say. Look at the videos on the page. As you're watching this video, and you might go to the page and you'll see video. They're going to change over the course of the week. If you see coffee cup, I haven't even loaded a video yet. This is just 2 days into the build, shall we say. I've loaded that one. You've got to watch that one 100%. Again, the trading chart, I've built a spreadsheet where you can track your trades and what have you. There it is. Sorry, you can download it from here. Trading chart download. I'll probably, after a discussion I had with somebody today, I'll probably be doing a new version of that trading chart, because the trading chart I built was more for me, should we say. But it's there to use, play with it, download, watch the videos. Definitely watch the videos. But again, this video is going to change. I promise you. This is first version, but people are screaming, Jim, I need some information. But we couldn't wait to get this. The copy trade groups live, so we had to get that out and let people know that it's quite an exciting adventure, really. Okay, I'll catch you on the next one.